Welcome to part 2. We will continue the above ground pool installation. Since there are many different types and manufacturers of above ground pools, I will show you an overview of the steps to assemble the pool. I will also give you some tips I learned that will make the assembly process easier as well. However, you will need to follow the directions provided for your pool and only use my suggestions as a guide. Use a dolly or hand cart to take the box with the wall into the pool area. To support the wall as you insert it in the bottom rails, you will need 6 6-foot steel posts and clamps. Locate the area where you plan to put the skimmer and return so that you can start the wall behind the appropriate upright. Move the wall to this start position. Cut down 2 sides of the box. Pull the cardboard around and lay it down with the wall still in an upright position. Always keep the wall on the cardboard during the installation. Unravel the wall a little at a time, inserting into the bottom rails as you go. Do not unravel the entire wall at once. This will make the installation much more difficult. As you unravel the wall, you will need something to hold it up. Install a 6-foot fence post at the beginning and clamp the wall to the post. Continue unraveling the wall a little at a time while moving the cardboard base as you go. Install support posts and clamps to hold the wall in place. If the sidewall seems too long or too short, make the bottom ring larger or smaller by equally sliding the bottom rails in or out of the bottom plates. Once you have the wall installed, lay some cardboard down inside the pool area and set up a ladder on the cardboard. Then set up a second ladder on the outside of the pool wall. Install the equipment panel. This step must be done carefully when joining the wall. Make sure the skimmer and the skimmer return holes are unobstructed by the uprights and are at the upper portion of the wall. Install the uprights onto the bottom plates. Check the level of each upright. Make sure the screws are tight and secure in all connections of the bottom plate. Protect your liner and give your pool a longer life by adding wall foam before your liner installation. The foam protects your liner from constant friction against your pool wall, preventing tears or punctures. Just roll out the pool foam along your wall, apply spray adhesive, and press it against your pool wall. Rake and level the sand, then tamp the sand down. Measure the depth, add more sand as needed, and tamp it again. Keep tamping and checking the level until you have a completely flat surface. This super strong floor pad is designed to sit underneath the pool liner, adding cushioning and the extra protection you need to ensure your pool liner's lifetime and safety. Gorilla padding is impervious to almost any sharp object, made from a durable felt-like material that is extremely hard to penetrate. The Gorilla pad is cut to size. Just unroll it and lay it around the pool floor. A pool's cove is a vital part of your pool system as it keeps the weight of the water inside the pool and prevents the liner from ballooning out from under the bottom of the pool wall. A foam pool cove keeps its shape and is quick and easy to install. You just peel and stick. Unlike sand, a foam cove provides a consistent grade and slope around the entire perimeter of the pool. A foam pool cove will not be washed out. The cove is made from high-density foam, meaning it won't hold moisture, change shape, or indent. Spread the liner out inside the pool and let it warm in the sun for about 30 minutes. Hang the liner directly on top of the pool wall. Make sure the bead is evenly around the entire pool and that the liner is hanging straight down from the top of the wall. The liner should not have creases in it because it is twisting around the pool. If the liner is twisting, it is because it is not sitting properly in the pool. Make necessary adjustments before proceeding. Once the liner is held in place by coping, temporarily pull wrinkles in the floor towards the sidewall evenly, leaving wrinkles at the cove. When the liner is correctly positioned, there must be no airspace between the liner and the ground or sidewall. Remove wrinkles at the cove by adjusting the amount of material over the wall. Do not pull too tight. Leave slack on the sides. When the liner is properly installed, there is no downward pressure on the liner. When the liner is completely adjusted and the plastic coping is secured, push the first stabilizer rail over the plastic coping so that it fits snug. Continue installing the remaining stabilizer rails around the pool. Start filling the pool. Install the top rails before the water is more than 12 inches deep, because if the pool is slightly out of round, you may have a problem getting the last rail to go on. When installing the top rails, do not tighten screws until all the top rails has been installed. This will allow room for adjustments if necessary on the final few rails that are installed. After all the top rails have been installed, tighten all screws and attach the top covers. Do not cut the skimmer and skimmer return holes in the liner until the liner is fully adjusted and the pool is at least 1/3 filled with water. Since there are so many models of skimmers and different manufacturers, you need to follow the installation instructions that came with your specific skimmer. Locate an area to install the pump. Make sure the pump will have easy access for maintenance and repair. The pump will be located in front of the equipment panel. Follow the manufacturer's installation instructions for your specific pump and filter. I decided to attach the pump to a concrete base to keep the pump and filter secure and help reduce noise and vibration. I mounted the pump base with concrete anchors and screws. The pump and filter system I decided to buy was the Stay-Rite PLM Series Modular Media Filter and Pump Combo. Specially designed mod media cartridges will filter particles 3 times smaller than sand and require only a simple cleaning about 2 times per season. Now you can have the low maintenance of sand with the outstanding water clarity of a cartridge filter. The filter is specially designed to handle 15 times more dirt than an equivalent sand or cartridge filter. The cartridges last for many seasons, eliminating the hassle of replacing sand every other year. Fill the pool with water. The pool installation is complete. Be sure to watch Part 3. I will show you how to build a deck around the pool.